Hi guys, if you want to delete your TikTok account, here is exactly how you can do that. This is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, is follow these simple steps and you will be able to delete your to delete your TikTok account in a few seconds. Now, all you have to do, guys, you want to click on three little lines in the top right. And after that, guys, you want to click on settings and privacy. Now, after that, you will find here a few different options. If you can look in the top, you can see your account. Click on account and a few different options will come up here. Now, as you can see, it says here user information, password, switch to business account. All these things don't matter. So what you want to do, guys, you want to click on deactivate or delete. Okay, now a few different options will come up here. You want to select delete account permanently. If you want to deactivate your account in case you want to get it back, of course all the videos will disappear, but the moment you log in back into your account, then these videos will appear again. Now if you want, you can select deactivate account in case you want, like you are going to change your mind in the future or anything like that. I would suggest clicking deactivate account, but if you are really sure that you want to delete it permanently, then select the second option that says here delete account permanently, and then you want to give the TikTok a reason why you are leaving TikTok. For example, I am going to say safety and privacy concerns. Click on continue. After that, guys, after you click on continue, you want to click on toggle this on. Check this by continuing your review. Click here and then click on continue, and TikTok will tell you that if you are sure, then if you want to delete this account, click on continue at the very bottom. And now TikTok will tell you that you have to verify your account. You have to click on continue with Google to log in into your account so that you can make sure it's you who wants to delete your Twitter account. Who wants to delete your TikTok account. Like Twitter and TikTok looks the same. So if you want to delete, like I said, your TikTok account, click on continue with Google and you will be able to delete your TikTok account in a few seconds. Just click on it and then log into your account, and boom, you have deleted your TikTok account permanently. See you guys.